How to fix setting restricted by TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if TikTok says that the setting is restricted. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So generally what happens is that whenever you open up TikTok, you're trying to customize a few settings, you're trying to actually chat with somebody, and TikTok simply gives you an error which says setting is restricted by TikTok. The main reason you want to understand why this happens is because your TikTok account is actually under 16 years old. So TikTok has a limitations for people and accounts under 13 years old, for 16 years old, and similar age gaps in the future as well. So simply make sure that your account age is actually above 16 years old. So in order to request a new account or a new age in TikTok is actually a little bothersome. You just cannot go ahead and change your date of birth just like you do in any other social media applications. In TikTok, you have to actually request the TikTok support team in order to go ahead and change your birthday, and you would actually need to verify with your real account or your real document or citizenship or any of the national documents which you have in order to verify your birthday and your age. However, if that is just too much bothersome for you, instead what you could do is you could try to create a new account with an age that has over age 16 years old. So all I would recommend you do is go to tiktok.com or download the new app and then go ahead and tap on sign up. So create a new account using a new age that is which should at least be above 16 or 18 years older, and that will most likely fix any type of restriction which you have on your account, because TikTok has a limitation to this. Unfortunately, this is how it works, and this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more short and short tutorials like this one. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.